morning from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today we are making a corned beef. I purchased the pickled top of the rib. It's almost 2.5 pounds, but I actually bought 2 pieces. Comes already with all the pickling spices in it. You just wake up in the morning, put up a pot of water, let it boil, put in your 2 pieces, cover it up, and hopefully in 3.5 hours, I will have soft, tender corned beef. But there is a little trick. After it's boiled for 3 hours, 3.5 hours, it's going to go into a pan. I'm going to lay it out, put on my secret duck sauce, put it under the broiler, and have a nice, crispy, gooey top to my beautiful corned beef, served with cabbage, potatoes. Heck, it's a wonderful make-ahead Rosh Hashanah meal. Okay, so now here is that secret recipe. Corned beef is out, laid it onto my pan. Now I am going to use my Gold's duck sauce, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to mix that into a bowl, get it nice and gooey, and then I'm going to brush it right on top of that corned beef, and it's going to fill up the whole top. I'm going to place it in the oven under broil so that it gets nice and gooey and crispy. And in the end, you will have a beautiful topping. And make sure when you slice it, you always slice it against the grain, and it will come out as a beautiful side dish for your holiday table.